Yes, so it's. I really don't know what to say, but what you have just showed me, if that kind of stuff is being circulated on Indian media, social media, I really don't think it is quite appropriate. But if it is getting circulated, that just it means that there is a market for it. तो आप ये जो महाशय क्या काला कलवा और कर्ण पिशाचनी बता रहे हैं, दीज आर वेरी इंफीरियर लाइफ फॉर्म्स। मैं तो इतना जानता हूं कि आप जिसको भजेंगे वैसे ही बन जाएंगे। राम को भजेंगे तो राम जैसे बन जाएंगे, कृष्ण को भजेंगे तो कृष्ण जैसे बन जाएंगे, और इस तरह के भूत प्रेत पिशाच निशाचरों को भजेंगे तो वैसे बन जाएंगे। बट दैट बीइंग सेड, I think that the life forms that uh, you are mentioning, this Kala, Kalwa, Ded Futia, these are very inferior life forms that create a lot of superstition and fear, especially in the northern part of India and central part of India. These things have no bearing at all on the southern part of India or the western part of India, where there are other things to be worshipped. But it's quite funny. Like I said, that if you have a weak moon, if you have a weak mind because of a weak moon afflicted by the nodes, then definitely these things can have an impact. And बारंबार ये इम्पैक्ट होता रहेगा और आप मेंटली स्ट्रांग नहीं है, तो व्हाट विल हैपन इज यू विल स्टार्ट बिलीविंग दैट दीज थिंग्स हैव पावर्स. रिमेंबर, an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. Things do not operate like that. Powers do not operate like that. So you have to be mentally strong. You have to believe in your कुल देवता. नहीं नहीं, और जहां तक ये मजे और डेंजर की बात है ना, you should attend some of my satsang. अरे the brute is afraid of the human being. If you see a person with a multiple personality disorder or OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, and suddenly that girl is on you with a fork with blood coming out of her eyes, I really don't know. You will get a scare which no other ghost can give you. तो नाम भजिए प्रेम से, भक्ति और नाम जप ही प्रभु ने रास्ता दिखाया है. But there are ways and means to protect yourself. Look at your ascendant Lord. If you are going through the shaft of a debilitated Saturn or a tough transit of Rahu, then definitely you will have, uh, you can have such kind of experiences. But 9 times out of 10, it is nothing. But yes, there are life forms which can affect uh, in a severely negative way. And I have addressed that in the Mantra article. I have addressed it in the Pitru Dosha, where I talk about the Madi and things like that. But overall, if your faith is clear, आप राम का नाम भजिए, कृष्ण का नाम भजिए, दुर्गा का नाम भजिए, गणेश का नाम भजिए, जिसको पूजेंगे वैसे ही बन जाएंगे. Have a beautiful life. Don't waste your time in this. And if you are in a spiritual life, this is not tantra. This is, ये यहाँ है. तो अगर आपको तंत्र सीखना है तो पहले आपको जागृत होना पड़ेगा. You have to become very very conscious, and that will start from grace and forgiveness. God bless you and love you.
अरे यारों का